Today, we'll be doing our product assembly of our LSA HTG G010. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing 2 parts A, 4 parts K, 2 parts J, the wheels with the lockers, and 2 parts I, the ones without the lockers. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Having a look underneath part A, we'll see there are places to insert parts K. Parts J, parts I, we'll repeat the same for the other side. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts D, 8 parts F, our bolt, and the provided Allen key. Let's go ahead and assemble now. When assembling, ensure that the rails are facing inward on both sides. Like that. Let's continue to assemble. We'll just go ahead and tighten up all the fixtures. For our next step, we'll be needing 10 parts C, 10 parts E, and 10 part H. On part C, you'll notice there's a pre-piloted hole to assemble on all the drawers. We'll take 1 part H, push it through, and tighten on the knob. You can use a Phillips if you require further tightening. Hand tightening is more than suffice. Let's continue to assemble the remaining 9. For our next step, we'll be needing 1 part B, as well as our previously assembled drawers. Let's assemble now. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our LSA HTG G010. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and more products. Thank you.